can see good. Gotta touch the pet cock and turn the gas on.
Okay.
It's right here. Probably turn the choke on because it's cold.
And I know we brought some gas for the dirt bikes. Alright, looks like he started that one up. And then Carter's is next. What do you want to show us? What's in there? Oh wow, you found a bunch.
It's a bunch of babies.
What are they?
Bunch of baby bones.
BB pellets?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're babies?
You excited, Carter? Yeah?
My hand, stare at it. Yeah, it barely went that far. Gotta keep a little bit of gas in the stop, otherwise it's gonna die.
Looks like Cody just started Carter's dirt bike. Woo! He is fast. He scares me sometimes. So you guys, what I like about this area is you have like all of this space for the kids to just ride and practice. It's amazing. We are just having fun here today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys, so Hayden literally just taught himself how to kickstart the dirt bike. You ready to show us, dude?
Yeah.
This is his first kickstart. I'll edit it, okay? Go! Good job! Let's go! Nice, dude. I'm so proud of you. Hayden says he wants to hit a little jump. I don't know where that's at. Talking about that one.
Wait, let me try one. Guys, oh my god, I can't do that. Try this one, guys. Guys, just try this one. Is it because it? Oh, I can break it. Yeah, you suck. I can break it. I can break it.
All right, I got this 2-stroke oil. Mix up with some gas for this dirt bike because it's a different type of gas. You're supposed to mix with 1 gallon, but we got a little less than 1 gallon in here, so I didn't put it all.
Okay.
Give her a little shake. And there we have it. It's the gas cap. Putting some gas in this bad boy.
Carter, do you like your dirt bike? Yeah. It's easy to ride? Yeah. You're pretty fast on it, huh?
Hayden's faster.
Hayden's faster? Well, his bike is a little bigger and he's older. That's all right.
Mom, I
You're pretty fast on this, Hayden, huh?
See if we'll start in one.
Yeah.
You scare me sometimes.
I want to go to third gear.
Yeah?
But it's easy on second gear.
Yeah, second gear. Well, second gear is a good start for you, but once you get a little bit, you know, older, you can probably hit third gear really fast. But you're almost there, buddy. You're doing pretty good.
So this is what my lady actually got me. It's damn good. Y'all should try it.
What do you have? There's a lot more? You're doing good, dude. Wow. Well, I think that's a lot. What do you think? You got a lot of BB pellets.
I think we need more.
More?
Yeah.
You think we need more?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
Can you help me?
Sure.
I'm no down. Well done.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Carter, are you okay? Oh my God, can you feel anything? Oh, are you okay, buddy? Can you feel this? No? What happened? Did you fall off the dirt bike?
Can't feel your leg.
Oh my gosh. I hope you're okay, Carter. Let's take these boots off. Let's get you up. Here, try to sit up real quick. Are you good, dude? No? Do you remember your name? Oh my God, he's back. Babe, we have to take him to the hospital now. Come on, get up. Okay. We're just kidding. We pranked you guys.
Nice.
Carter acted like he fell, but he didn't.
He fell on the
He's
dirt.
okay.
He fell on that dirt.
Lift her up, brother. How about you, babe?
I cannot lift that up.
Come on, I need help.
That's all you.
I need some help.
Mm-mm.
I go to the gym.
We're loading her up. We're off. Going back home. Was it a good day today? Heck yeah.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.